Alright then, just taking a look at Verasity on the daily time frame, we can see here basically we are still chopping it up between these two Fibonacci levels. As I said in previous videos, this is very common behavior for cryptocurrencies to do. Once we do start to see ourselves picking up off the lows of a bear market, which we clearly have been doing for some time here, you can see Verasity, I've got my Fibonacci pulled from the bull market high of the previous bull market down to the current low of the bear market. You can see this coincides really nicely with this channel bottom, which we keep bouncing at as well. You can see this huge channel that we've been working inside of for the entirety of Veracity's life cycle. You can see we've still been bouncing at this level pretty much perfectly every time. Obviously this is giving us some of those nice targets up towards $1 up here inside the channel going into 2024 and 2025, which is when these altcoins will probably peak most likely if we look at previous market analysis and data, heading up towards maybe that $1 level for Verasity. Obviously that would be an absolutely amazing gain in the markets. We'll see how close we get to that, but right now obviously things looking very good indeed for Verasity. We are just basically chilling at the bottom of the life cycle of the next pump, in my opinion, going into the next bull market. Lots of fundamental bullish news coming as well, and you can see in this local area, if we just take a quick look at the charts in more granular detail, you can see really we've just been going sideways in a range really between anywhere from around 1/4 of a cent up to around 1 cent here. You can see just basically going sideways, a little bit of a deviation either way, but mostly just a big consolidation waiting for, you know, some of those major moves like you saw in the previous bull market. Most of the move was made in the space of maybe a month or two here, from let's say the 1st of January up to around the end of March. So in around 3 months we made most of the gains of the bull market, and the rest of the time was mostly just chopping sideways and consolidating. And as you can see, for example, if we made all the gains in 3 months, we could be doing something like this pretty damn quick. So make no mistake, in bull markets cryptos do pump like an absolute beast, and right now we are just essentially coming out of the longest bear market in history for cryptocurrency. So congrats if you survived. You can see we're clearly broken out of all these resistances. Really this is just a back test of this big long support line that we have seen here, and really I'm looking for continuation and heading to the upside, to be fair, doing something like this going into the next bull market, probably making our way up through the Fibonacci levels as you often do. But right now just consolidating, chilling, not doing too much, and really we are just waiting for that next move to the upside. So the halving is very soon now, about 2 months away, of 5 or 6 weeks maybe, depending on how fast that Bitcoin gets mined. But right now things looking good.